SAP HANA is a cutting-edge, highly efficient solution that has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses run in the ever-changing field of enterprise resource planning, ERP. This sophisticated ERP solution from SAP, which offers organizations unmatched insights and efficient operations, is a revolution in real-time analytics. Fundamentally, SAP HANA presents a universal journal which removes complexity and promotes a more integrated corporate environment by acting as a single source of truth for operational and financial data. The user-friendly SAP Fiori interface prioritizes the user experience by guaranteeing a smooth and responsive interaction, which makes jobs not only efficient but also pleasurable. What is SAP HANA? One of the largest corporate software companies, SAP, has developed an integrated enterprise resource planning (ERP) suite called SAP HANA. 4 denotes the 4th generation, S stands for suite, and HANA is the abbreviation for SAP HANA, the underlying database technology. With the addition of numerous important features and improvements, SAP HANA is a major improvement over SAP ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, its predecessor. A key component is the implementation of the SAP HANA in-memory database, which permits real-time analytics and data processing. Businesses may now make decisions based on the most recent information because of this divergence from conventional disk-based databases, which speeds up data processing and retrieval. Overview of SAP FICO. The integrated module within the SAP ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, system is called SAP FICO or SAP Finance, FE, and Controlling, CO. This module is essential for managing the financial operations of a company and facilitating decision-making by providing efficient cost control and reporting. An outline of SAP FICO is provided below. Financial information from SAP FE. An organization's financial transactions are managed by the General Ledger, GL, which also offers a thorough overview of the organization's financial situation. Accounts payable. AP is responsible for overseeing vendor transactions, processing payments, and making sure they arrive on time. Accounts receivable. AR handles billing, client interactions, and payment receipts. Asset accounting follows and oversees the life cycle of an organization's assets, from purchase to disposal. Bank accounting oversees financial transactions such as electronic bank transfers, reconciliation. Controlling SAP CO to enable accurate cost analysis, cost element accounting records, and monitor expenses at the highest degree of detail. Throughout the company, costs associated with different cost regions are allocated and reported through the use of a cost core account, CCA. Internal orders keeps track of and manages expenses related to particular jobs or projects. Profit core accounting, PCA. Various corporate divisions or segments can be inferred through financial accounting or PCA. Analysis and computation. The prices of products or services generated inside the company are done through product costing. Unlocking intelligent ERP's potential. In the field of enterprise resource planning, unleashing the power of intelligent ERP represents a revolutionary change where cutting-edge technology is used to drive companies into a new era of productivity, flexibility, and creativity. Let us clarify this idea using some important points. Combining intelligence, predictive analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and other cutting-edge technologies are combined with standard ERP functions to create intelligent ERP. Through this connectivity, the system can process data as well as learn from it, changing and improving in real time. Instantaneous insights, as opposed to conventional ERP systems, which rely on historical data. Intelligent ERP offers in-the-moment insights that empower companies to make well-informed decisions. The system turns into a dynamic intelligence source that predicts patterns, chances, and possible difficulties. Analytical prediction. Predictive analytics, which foresees potential future events, is provided by intelligent ERP, which goes beyond descriptive analytics. It enables businesses to take proactive measures to resolve problems, streamline workflows, and decide on important courses of action before they become urgent. Adaptable and elastic. Unleashing suggests a break from inflexible frameworks. Agile and adaptable. Intelligent ERP reacts quickly and precisely to shifting business environments. Businesses liberate themselves from conventional restraints, promoting an atmosphere of innovation and constant progress. Making strategic decisions, intelligent ERP transforms into a strategic partner in decision-making by offering predictive insights. Based on anticipated future events, organizations can plan and strategy, coordinating their activities with long-term objectives. SAP Harness Intelligent Technologies. SAP Harness Intelligent Technologies is a collection of state-of-the-art inventions aimed at pushing enterprise resource planning (ERP) to previously unheard-of heights. Three major pillars: artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and the Internet of Things, IoT, are the foundation of SAP HANA's intelligent ecosystem. Artificial intelligence, AI. SAP S/4HANA uses artificial intelligence, AI, to improve decision-making by identifying trends, automating repetitive procedures, and forecasting future results. Smart data processing is made possible by intelligent automation within the system, which minimizes human costs and quickens corporate activities. Demand planning, forecasting, and personalized user experiences are all improved by SAP HANA's AI-driven features. Machine learning, ML. The machine learning, ML, features built into SAP HANA allow the system to learn from past data, adjust to changing conditions, and enhance performance over time. Operations become more responsive and agile when ML algorithms are used to optimize procedures like financial forecasting, supply chain management, and procurement. Organizations may now recognize trends, abnormalities, and opportunities that could have gone missing otherwise thanks to intelligent insights obtained via machine learning. IoT, or the Internet of Things. SAP HANA easily integrates with Internet of Things devices to form a network of connected devices where real-time data collection from multiple sources occurs. IoT integration improves operational visibility, allowing companies to track and evaluate the efficiency of their supply chains, equipment, and assets. SAP HANA makes predictive maintenance possible through the Internet of Things, enabling businesses to proactively handle equipment problems before they cause downtime. Analytical prediction. Predictive analytics is used by SAP HANA to make predictions about future trends and results based on both historical and current data. Organizations may maximize resource allocation, anticipate market demands, and make well-informed decisions thanks to predictive insights. In the hands of company executives, this functionality turns SAP HANA from a reactive tool into a proactive, strategic asset. Integrated data analysis. The system has embedded analytics, which gives users dashboards and visualizations that are easy to understand and updated in real time. By enabling users to examine and evaluate data straight within the ERP interface, embedded analytics promotes a culture of data-driven decision-making. By ensuring that analytics are smoothly incorporated into daily operations, this integration improves the user experience as a whole. Important SAP modules and their purposes. Systems, applications, and products, or SAP, provides several modules that address many facets of business operations. Every module has a distinct purpose that adds to the overall effectiveness and integration of an organization. The following are some of the main SAP modules and what they do. The essential component of SAP ERP, ECC, the central ERP module that unifies different company procedures. It has modules for production, sales, procurement, finance, and other areas. Crucial elements: handles reporting and financial transactions in financial accounting, FE. Using revenue and expense tracking, controlling, aids in management decision-making. Sales and distribution, SD manages order processing, sales, and distribution. Procurement and inventory are managed by materials management, MM. Production planning, PP arranges and manages the processes involved in production. SAP CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, mainly concerned with handling interactions and connections with customers. Important elements: sales and marketing, oversees marketing initiatives and sales operations. Service, manages the procedures for customer service and assistance. Interaction core, centralized consumer communication routes. Supplier chain management, SCM, with SAP, oversees the complete supply chain's operations. Important elements: demand planning, projects what things customers will want to buy. Working together with partners and suppliers is known as Supply Network Collaboration or SNC. Operations at the warehouse are managed by Warehouse Management (WM). Logistics of transportation are optimized by Transportation Management (Trademark). Information Management (IT) with SAP provides instruments for analysis, reporting, and decision-making assistance. Crucial elements: Business Warehouse for SAP BW oversees report generation and data warehousing. SAP Business Objects provides tools for reporting and visualization. SAP Business Consolidation and Planning BPC supports consolidation, budgeting, and financial planning. Crucial elements: organizations can develop and oversee financial strategies with the help of planning. Financial reporting and consolidation are supported by consolidation. Fiori SAP use a user experience (UX) design methodology for developing applications that are responsive and easy to use. Crucial elements: Fiori Launchpad offers a unified interface for SAP apps. Fiori Apps provides an array of responsive, role-based applications. Basic functions of SAP. SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Product. It is a whole suite of enterprise resource planning (ERP) software that meets the different needs of businesses. To comprehend SAP's fundamental functions, one must be able to navigate the system with ease and grasp important ideas. These are some basic SAP operations in summary form. User login and authentication. Users enter their password and unique username to access the SAP system. Secure system access is ensured by authentication, which is dependent on user roles and permissions. The graphical user interface, or SAP GUI. The main interface that users utilize to communicate with the SAP system is SAP GUI. It offers a graphical depiction of the different SAP modules and features. Menus and navigation. Through its hierarchical menu structure, the SAP GUI enables users to switch between various modules and functionalities. Through the menu system, users can access particular transactions, reports, or data entry windows. Codes for transactions, transaction codes, T-codes, which are alphanumeric, are used to carry out transactions in SAP. If users want to access particular functions without using menus, they can type T-codes directly into the command box. Processing documents and entering data. Data entry for several company operations, including generating purchase orders, fulfilling sales orders, and entering financial transactions, is supported by SAP. Purchase requisitions and invoices are two examples of documents that are prepared and processed inside the appropriate modules. Documentation flow. With SAP's document flow functionality, users may keep track of the documents and processing stages associated with a particular transaction. The flow of documents improves the auditability and transparency of company processes. Analytics and reporting. SAP provides several analytics features and reporting tools. Users have the option to produce personalized or standard reports. Users use queries to examine data and learn more about how well businesses are performing. SAP HANA Creator Accountabilities. Setting up and executing. Work together with business stakeholders to comprehend what is needed to adopt SAP HANA. Set up and alter SAP HANA modules according to your company's requirements. Make sure organizational procedures and the SAP system are in sync. Data migration and integration. Assist with the SAP HANA system and application integration. Assist with data migration tasks to guarantee a precise and smooth transfer to the new system. Resolve integration problems and enhance data flow. Assistance and upkeep. Continue to assist end users and take care of system-related problems. Track system performance and install updates or patches as required. Work together with the support staff to address issues and requests for services. Instruction and record keeping. Provide end users with SAP HANA functionality training sessions. Document configurations, procedures, and user manuals. Create and manage documentation. Ascertain end users' familiarity in using the SAP HANA system. Personalized creation and improvements. Work together with developers to create and apply unique SAP HANA solutions. Work on improvements and adjustments to satisfy certain business needs. Take part in code reviews, testing, and coding. Constant enhancement. Identify SAP HANA system optimization and improvement opportunities. Keep abreast of the most recent features and functionalities offered by SAP HANA. Make improvements to current procedures and put them into practice. Qualifications. A bachelor's degree in a relevant subject, including computer science, business, or information technology. It is frequently preferred to get certified in SAP HANA or similar modules. Strong grasp of business procedures and the capacity to convert them into SAP setups. Competence with the finance, FE, sales and distribution, SD, materials management, and other SAP HANA modules. Exceptional ability to solve problems and communicate. Conclusion. People looking to contribute to the digital transformation of enterprises have a dynamic and exciting opportunity with a career in SAP HANA. People who enter this sector can anticipate a wide range of tasks, from system implementation and configuration to continuous support, integration, and optimization, as described in the definitions of distinct job roles. Experts in SAP HANA are essential in coordinating the ERP system with business goals and making sure it turns into a strategic asset for the company. The focus on training, documentation, and continual development highlights how dynamic SAP HANA jobs are and how important it is to stay up to date with emerging features and technologies. Regardless of whether they begin as trainees or support associates, people can develop moving up the organizational ladder from entry-level jobs to more senior roles with greater responsibilities within the SAP HANA ecosystem. Success in this sector requires a thorough grasp of business procedures and certifications, among other qualifications. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple explanations of complex topics. See you next time.